On September 30th, 2025, an officer pulled over a vehicle for a broken rear tail light.
Pull over here for me, man.
Outside, my phone dropped.
You good? Let's get over here. We ain't in the road. Look, state police. The reason why I'm pulling you over, you got tail light out.
It's not all that, just got tape on it.
You can't see that thing at all.
My bad. If you pull it off, you can. It's on.
What happened to it? It's just broke?
Car wash did that.
Man, what car wash you go to?
The little car wash, like down on 74.
What side? What side 74? Towards like airline, or you talking about back towards like St. Gabriel?
No, close by like almost right there by Dutchtown, by the school.
The one across from Harvest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make sure I stay away from that one so I don't break your headlight or none.
Yeah,
Tail light or none.
I usually try to wash it myself. It just happened like about a week ago.
Damn.
It just happened, sir.
I got you.
I'm going to pick my wife up from work.
Is it your car?
Yes, sir.
Registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. You got your license on you now?
It's in the car.
All right, cool. You gonna grab it for me?
Yes, sir.
Look, before you go reaching any guns or anything in the car?
No, sir.
Perfect. Go ahead and grab it for me.
As the officer walks with the suspect to his car to get his license, the officer spotted inside the vehicle a silver pistol with an extended magazine.
Hey, come back here. No, get out the car. Come here. Get out the car. Turn around for him, put your hands behind your back. All right. So right now, you're just being detained.
While the officer was trying to put him in handcuffs, the suspect, Nicholas, in a split second made the worst decision, jumping into his car and reaching for his gun. Within moments, Nicholas began to accelerate while the officer was still partially inside the vehicle.
Right now, you're just being detained, okay? Stop! Get the off! Get out! On your way! Just being detained, okay? Stop! Get the off! Get out! On your way!
Shot fired, shot fired.
The suspect fled for about 1.5 miles before the officer found the vehicle stopped on the wrong side of the road.
Lights out, heading north of 431. Be stopping near your dab lane. Driver! Get out of the car!
For nearly 10 minutes, the officer stayed back, repeatedly giving loud commands while waiting for backup to arrive.
Can you tell how many times it's occupied?
One time, black male, gun on the floorboard by the driver's seat.
Backup arrived at the scene and made contact with the suspect, who was in critical condition due to the earlier shooting. They performed CPR until an ambulance arrived. Nicholas was transported to a nearby hospital, where he was later pronounced deceased.